This 2015 CrossRoads Elevation 34 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, oven, microwave, stovetop burner, slide-out, TV, air conditioning, skylight, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2015 CrossRoads Elevation 34RM is 12,688 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.